Hello everyone. Today let's see this preparation of aromatic aldehydes and the name reactions involved in it. So first we'll go for the scientists which are there in this. So for that we require main material, add and arrow. So before this main, actually we should write say for name reaction, I'll just write this name reaction. Okay. So number one is Stephen's reaction. Say next we have Rosenmund. Then after we have Etard reaction. One more that is, you know very well, Gattermann Koch formylation. So I'm just writing Gattermann Koch reaction, that is. Say one more we'll put here, that is Friedel-Crafts acylation. That is for ketone actually. Acylation. Now important is the main material which are involved in this. So the main material for Stephen is even we can write say if we are preparing aromatic aldehyde, so we can write here benzonitrile. For Rosenmund we can write here benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride is there, so which is like this. And for Etard we have toluene. Gattermann, say we have benzaldehyde. For Friedel-Crafts acylation, we can write benzene here. Okay, I'll do this line here. Okay, now next up, after this main, what is added in this? So for Stephen, we have this 2 hydrogen, which is produced by this, we can say stannous chloride and HCl. Say we have, it is 2-step process. That's a 1 arrow, and one more we'll write here, that is acid hydrolysis. And for this Rosenmund, we have say we can write it hydrogen, and on arrow we have this PD, palladium and barium sulfate. For this Etard reaction, the thing which we add is chromyl chloride, CrO2Cl2. And here also we have this 2-step process. So we'll write carbon disulfide here. And next we do this acid hydrolysis. For Gattermann-Koch reaction, we can add carbon monoxide, and on arrow we have say we can write means HCl, even this anhydrous AlCl3 and CuCl. For this Friedel-Crafts acylation, now we can say right here this acyl chloride, like acetyl chloride. And as we know, for this on arrow we put this anhydrous AlCl3. So this way our formula is ready now here. With the help of this, we can write reactions. Why I wrote this formula? Because it helps Suppose if it comes like what is ITAD reaction, then it is very important we should know. See this main add arrow. We should know that ITAD, in ITAD reaction, the starting material, the main material is toluene, and what we add is chromyl chloride. And arrow, why this arrow is given means it is two-step process. Means very first arrow we put solvent there, and second step we do this acid hydrolysis. The main reason behind this formula is whenever this Rosenmund comes, so what is important here is one should know what is the main material, benzoyl chloride, what we add, and what is there on arrow. That's why this formula is given. With the help of this, it becomes easy. Now I'll write the reaction. Actually, already we have done this Stephen reaction and Rosenmund reaction is already done in previous class. So we can start with ITAD reaction and next two more. So we'll see that as the name comes like what is ITAD reaction. So as I said, very important thing is the main material of ITAD is toluene, and what we add is chromyl chloride, CrO2Cl2. And as you saw there, solvent is carbon disulfide. Now we'll see what byproduct we are going to get, because next step is acid hydrolysis. And as you know, finally what we are preparing here is, means our final product is benzaldehyde. So we'll see this. So almost the knowledge here, we got this main material, add, and this all arrow, this all knowledge is obtained from this table. Only what we have to do is, and this is very must, this we should know what is the main material and what is added. So now we'll see what is the intermediate here. So in this reaction, during reaction, what happens is two hydrogen atoms are replaced from this methyl group, and the intermediate which we get is that is known as chromium complex. So the chromium complex, we can write it like CH, and out of this chromyl chloride, it gets attached, like first oxygen gets attached, then Cr, then further O, and the H which we replaced, we write it here, and then Cl2. But as two hydrogen atoms are replaced, that's why we should write here twice. So as we have chromium 2 now, so we should write here two molecules. So this is chromium complex. And further, then when acid hydrolysis is done, benzaldehyde is obtained. So this way, ITAD reaction is done here, means toluene is when treated with chromyl chloride. So I'll write this chromyl chloride in presence of solvent like carbon disulfide. It gives chromium complex, which on further acid hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde. Okay, now the second one here is Gattermann-Koch reaction. Gattermann-Koch formylation. Actually, the question can be like this also. Say, how will you obtain benzaldehyde from benzene? If this is the question, then we should know here that this can be done with the help of Gattermann-Koch formylation reaction. The main material is benzene, and this benzene is reacted with carbon monoxide and in presence of HCl and this anhydrous AlCl3 and CuCl also here. So we get this, the product forms here is benzaldehyde. So this is your Gattermann-Koch reaction. Now next question which is there is even here in ETAD, it can be like, how will you prepare benzaldehyde from toluene? Toluene. So that I didn't write there, but it's okay. Easy to understand what type of question can be there. Now for this third, as it is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Whenever this comes, it's very important to know that the main material, or before going to that, say I'll put question also here. It can be like, how will you convert, say, benzene into acetophenone? So for this, say starting material is benzene, and this is when reacted with acetyl chloride in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, as this acylation means this acyl group is introduced in benzene. So the product which we are going to get is this benzene, to which we can write here to this place or at the at the top, sorry, same thing, acetophenone. This is acetophenone, and the byproduct which we get is HCl, because hydrogen atom is replaced. So reactions are only, the reason behind this is why I gave this here formula is, most of the time what I have seen that students, when they hear this name like ETAD or suppose if Gattermann, so they become blank, you know, like if you'll say Stephen, तो उनको याद नहीं आता है कि what is the main material, what is to be added in that. So here we did this name reaction part is done, and the next class we'll see more name reactions like Clemmensen reaction, Wolff-Kishner, and Cannizaro's reaction.